Hello everybody, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. Today, somebody say today I will be doing a makeup tutorial, and this time I will be showing you guys how I apply my foundation. And so this is just a foundation only tutorial. I'll let you know what I use and how I get that flawless makeup look where you're not looking so made up, but you looking natural. You guys stay tuned and let's get into this look. All right, so I first start the two products that I use for my foundation is going to be the MAC Studio Fix. And I use basically the same thing. Hey, when I find something that works, I use what works. I don't, if it's not broke, like the saying say, if it's not broke, don't fix it. So, hey, this fixes me up. So I use my MAC Studio Fix foundation, Fluid Fix foundation. And this is in NC50. And I also use my CoverGirl. This is my CoverGirl True Blend Matte Made. And this is in the color D30. So that's how that looks. That's in the color D30. So I use these two together. I mix them because if I just use MAC makes me look, first of all, too based, and then it also makes me look dry. And so I have to mix it with my CoverGirl, and that will kind of give it that little shine, give it, you know, give it the little shine I need to make it look like my skin is moist and not dry. So y'all, let's get into this. All right, so first I'm going to go ahead and how I do, I just get a regular brush, and I don't have the pump, y'all. I need the pump, okay? But I don't have it, so I just apply it like this. This is just how much I use, just that much. And then I'll take my True Blend here and I'll circle around just like that. And this is it. This is it for me. What you see is what you get. So then I just start dabbing. And then once I kind of get it, spread it over my face, I take my nose, just because I have my nose made. There you go. And then I just start to go in circular motions like this, just to get it blended in really well. Come down to my neck so you won't have that harsh line. And I all right, so it is now nice and blended. And now I use my MAC Studio Fix powder in NW45 for my chocolate sisters. And I take my brush. I didn't have my brush out, y'all. And I just take a regular powder brush. And this is it. Some people just like to do their foundation and their powder and let's go. Which I call it an on the go look, okay? So I just take my powder. Some people don't do all the contouring and they're not in all that. And that's fine. That is fine. And so I just take my powder, my MAC powder. And I'll apply it. all over. And that is all I do as far as foundation. That is it. That is all I do as far as foundation. So what you see is what you get. Hi guys, I am actually done applying my foundation. Off camera, I did go ahead and do my eyebrows, and I did add a little eyeliner to the bottom of my lids. I would definitely call this an on-the-go look. Today, I have patients that I have to see, and so I'm kind of in a hurry and really don't have time to contour and eyeshadow and all of that. So I'm doing like the basic, the foundation with the foundation powder, the eyeliner, and the brows, and I'm good to go. And again, I did not let you guys know that I do use also NC50, and this is Studio Tech. This is also MAC Studio Tech, and I don't use it that often. Before I started using the Studio Fluid Fix, which is this one here, I used to just use this all the time until I tried this and I fell in love with it. So this right here, I still had this. This is old, and I still had it from previous usage. So what I do is just take my brush, and sometime, especially if I am trying to clean up my lines when I do my brows, I just take a little bit on my brush and I just kind of clean it up a little bit under my brows, and you know, and I'll bring it down to my lid. And so that's what I use for that, and so that's the only time I really use it now. But this is also a good product as well. If you don't, a lot of people do not like using the Studio Fluid Fix. It took me actually a minute to use this, so and I started using this through a friend of mine. So but this was my go-to right here until I did the Studio Fluid Fix, and like I said, I fell in love with it then. So, and I don't really use this that often, but this is, like I said, a good product as well. It gives you the coverage that you need as well, and you know, and you put your Studio Fix, your powder on top of it, you're good to go. So this is my look, you guys. I am glad you guys tuned in, and I appreciate you guys for subscribing, watching, liking, sharing, all that you do. So again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. You guys, if you want the eyebrow look, then I will put a link down below where you can just click on that link, and it'll take you straight to how I do my brows. But you guys have a blessed day, and I just want to say peace out till next time. Bye.